I've had this tripod for over 3 months, and this was my original unboxing video, so I'm gonna share it with you and show you how it works. This is a small remote that you pair with your phone so you can take pictures from a distance away, and it comes with a CR2032 battery. It comes with a manual, but this tripod is so easy to use, it's straightforward, so I never really had to refer to the manual. And here's our tripod. It's made of aluminum, so it's lightweight and easy to take around with you. They also included a small travel bag. This tripod is adjustable in 3 different directions, and that makes it easy to record videos or take photos in directions that you would normally get from a regular tripod. And the phone clip is also removable. You can attach it from the side or the back, and that gives extra options and make it much easier to maneuver. I use my tripod on the floor or on the table, and the height is adjustable from 19 inches up to 55 inches. Now let me show you how to connect the remote to your phone, and you can use Android or iOS for this. Just go to your Bluetooth setting, turn your Bluetooth on, switch the remote on, that little button on the side. Search for the device and you'll see BT818. Just click the button to connect to it and you're all set. Now you're ready to use your remote. So that's it. I'm really loving my tripod. It's portable, it's adjustable, and it's well built.